Did you know your body can literally turn into soap after you die? And not in a weird metaphor way. Chemically, actual soap. It's called adipocere, and here's how it works. When a body ends up somewhere wet and low on oxygen, like buried in damp soil or submerged in water, the bacteria that normally eat you start doing something completely different instead. They trigger a chemical reaction in your body fat that converts it into a gray, waxy, soap-like substance. The same basic process used to make the bar sitting in your shower right now. And the creepy part? It preserves you, your shape, your features, sometimes for centuries. The most famous example is the soap lady at Philadelphia's Mutter Museum. She was an 18th century woman whose entire soft tissue converted. You can still see her face. Forensic investigators actually hate adipocere because it makes estimating time of death incredibly difficult. A body that looks freshly preserved might have been there for decades. So yeah, you could become soap. Sleep tight.